Has this new normal affected you and your business in a way you did not expect? Have you been hard hit, lost clients, can't find new ones, can't do business the way you used to? Well, Linus Woods-Mullins and LaShonda Herring have felt your pain. They felt like a deer in the headlights when the pandemic hit. Their old plans had to change, but they knew the plans needed to be simple because the world felt so complicated. Whether you are a nutritionist, a yoga instructor, business consultant, many of you have all expressed the difficulty that comes with this new normal. Some of you have tried to pivot during this time, but it hasn't worked. You need some simple, effective strategies that will get you results. You can't afford to make costly mistakes, and you need something like yesterday. That is why Linus and LaShonda have come together to offer their social media and business experience. They show coaches, consultants, and trainers, small business people, and entrepreneurs, whether you are just beginning or have established a business, how to make simple pivots to profit by using the new standout formula that they have created. You are learning and shifting while in the program. So come on, learn how to get results simply and easily in this new normal. Check out more information about this program on the landing page you are on right now, or go to the link at the end of this commercial.